bad boys, alpha males, best pickup artists. They can get any woman they fucking want. No matter the woman is a lawyer, nurse, dentist, entrepreneur, businesswoman, or any other else. Some of them, if you look at them, are fucking losers in life as a man. Fat, big belly, no money, brokey, $200 in their bank account, no status, and no connections. So everyone in society not gonna like them, but women are falling for them. How the fuck is that possible? They do things that ordinary men doesn't. And in this video, I'm gonna tell you some of these things. In this video, I'm gonna mention 5 simple habits that will get you any woman you fucking want. Before starting the video, make sure to subscribe to HighValue Man and turn on notifications so you won't miss next videos, and also learn how to become an attractive and high value man. 1. Out of 90% of men, the first thing you have to do is to make a difference in that girl's mind for yourself against other men. You have to move in a unique way so she pays attention to you and will wonder about you and knowing you. Let me tell you an example. Every guy out there, when wants to approach a woman, they say, hey, I think you're so beautiful, so cute, and things like that. And the result is clear, man. She will not give a fuck about and put you inside of 90% men. When you pass away every day and see a store, for example, when you see it for 4th, 5th time, after that, you don't even look at it because it's not anything special to you. This rule is applied to women same. If you wanna be different, you can tell her that I like your vibe and energy. I don't know the reason, but I like it. You got a good vibe. When you tell this to a woman, she probably not being told this many times. So her brain gonna react to this, not just passing you and putting you in the 9% of men's side. 2. Imagine the most bad scenario while approaching. When you want to approach a woman, you imagine the worst scenarios in your mind. Then your mind is going to stop you to approaching her. What if she has a boyfriend? What if she is with her boyfriend and her boyfriend is around? What if she doesn't like me? What if someone I know see me doing this? What if she rejects me? And many more what ifs. If you see other videos about approaching women, they're gonna tell you to count to 3 and go for her. Or have a mindset that there are a lot of other girls. And unfortunately, none of them works. What I'm gonna tell you is different. I guarantee it's gonna work because I tested this on many of my friends. Let your mind imagine the worst scenarios. Then when it's done, just tell yourself, so what? So fucking what? If she rejects me, what a special thing gonna happen? Nothing. Tomorrow the sun will rise again, you and that girl wake up at the morning and go to your job or university again, like every day. Say, if you fucking die, nothing special is gonna happen. If you tell yourself after all of these ifs, so what? You realize that there is not an answer to that question. 3. Don't give a fuck about women's words. Nice guys, the men that never been in a relationship with a woman, are fucking credulous. When woman tells them something in a date or relationship, they think that they really actually meant that. But fuck no. The truth is, half of what women telling you is bullshit. They just want to test you, your maturity, your masculinity, your value, your confidence. For example, you approach her and get her number. While texting, she texts you, "You are not the type of men I like." Nice guys hear things that she actually meant that, but she isn't. If you want to do the correct word, look at women's actions, not their fucking words. When she texts you that you are not the type I like, you ask yourself, so why the fuck did she give me her number and texting me right now? If she doesn't like me, there is no reason for her to give me her number or texting me right now. So just don't believe in their word. Just look at her actions. Next one, decrease others' value. The title is a bit weird and strange, I know, but just listen to what I say. I'm not meant to decrease other people's value by argues. You just have to increase your own value. When you increase your own value, the value of people around you are decreasing, and you're gonna leave them and have other valuable people around. And as you know, the more valuable you are and the more you increase your value, the more attractive and hot to women you are. Because you become like a fucking diamond. You are rare and it's hard for them to find someone like you. You're valuable. How you can increase your value? 3 ways. And you have to increase yourself in all of these 3 ways. Financially, physically, mentally. Start to make more money. Just think about ways you can make more money than now. Enter the world of business and make a lot of money to increase yourself financially. Start exercising. Start taking diets. Go to the gym and lift heavy weights and make your 6-pack to increase yourself physically. Just get out of house and go among people. Start making friends, argue them. You just have to get experience of these situations. It's not bad if you lost and argue. You got the experience. And this is the way you can increase yourself mentally. And the last one, girls are everywhere. Girls are specific people. They are like angels. They should be treated gently. These are bullshit mindsets, man. The human population on the planet is 7 billion people. If you assume half of them are females, so how are they fucking specific? As the same numbers of females, we got males. So none of us are specific. Stop make the girl you have a crush on specific to yourself. These are bullshits. That you fall in love just once in your life, or you can't find somebody better than her. These are bullshits. You might fall in love more than 5-6 times if you see a woman that has more than of your standards. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to High Value Men so you don't miss next videos, and you can be a part of our movement to be in 10% of men side. I mean the High Value Men side.